All right, that's bought me time. Can make the next station. Hold on, kiddo.
Train's leaving! Shit! All right, get to the next station. Go! Go! Gonna need a hand! I'm on it! Ran inside! Backup is here! He's left the car!
Closing in.
Got a gun!
Get out of here!
Oh, thanks! Thanks a lot!
Jax. You're safe now. All right? You're safe. Okay, listen. This is important. Back at the house, did you hear those men say anything? Come on, Jax, talk to me. All right. We're gonna find your mom.
Dr. Mendez speaking?
Yolanda, hi. This is Aiden Pierce, Nikki's brother.
Is everything all right?
It'd be great if we could meet in person. I'm on the train with Jax.
All right. Do you know where Nikki drops him off?
Yeah, we'll meet you there. I need you to be brave for me, okay? Men at the house said this. This is good, Jax. It's good.
Hey! Hello, sweetheart. What's going on, Mr. Pierce? Where's Nikki?
Nah, it's been a rough week. She's forced herself to get rid of Lena's stuff, and, I think she's finally saying her goodbyes.
How bad is it?
It's bad.
She should call me.
Well, she wanted me to call you. See, we're wondering if you could look after Jax for a few days. We'll pay you, of course.
Of course. I'll help in any way I can.
That'd be great, thank you.
Nikki needs to grieve. I know it's hard, but it's a good thing.
It's been rough. We're gonna work it out. Right?
Okay, little man. We're gonna cause some trouble. Let's go.
See you soon.
Go.
Southbound train arriving shortly. We are experiencing technical difficulties. Please stand by. Northbound train arriving shortly.
We've been through this before. I only need another time mule this month. I paid you maybe
I'm heading into a tough neighborhood. I need to be prepared. Hi.
What can I get you?
Authorities at Chicago Correctional Center are triple-checking their security protocols today after a prison break. Facts are sketchy, but we do know that at least one prisoner managed to make it past all security checkpoints. Fortunately, Chicago's finest apprehended the prisoner shortly afterward. John Smith, 34, has been remanded in custody. His lawyer says his client is a victim of mistaken identity.
Racine. Let's see where that is. Gotcha. Robert Racine.
Here, yo, Vice Boy, you coming to fight. Fight people, this ain't nice. Now I spit it. Never forget it. People some bullshit. Damn it, I'm getting with it. All these bitches in the streets.
You're all set. Have fun.
I think that might be the guy from the news.
One lead on some part-time work so far.
Hey, looking for a digital trip?
Someone here was hired by Damien. Start with the owner, Robert Racine. And just work your way down. Stay cool, just keep your head.
You shouldn't be here!
I am your worst nightmare.
One of these bullets!
We got wounded!
Nothing. The computer. We can hack the cameras through the computer. Robert. Nice to meet you.
Are you double-crossing me? I got you the Pierce woman. The woman, yes. I told you not to go for the kid. Did you think I'd actually pay you more? Now you've complicated things. Who's this guy after me? Did you send him? I didn't send him, but I probably should have warned you about Aiden. You gotta help me, or I'll tell him everything I know. That's exactly why you don't know anything. He's not gonna be happy when he finds that out. Fuck, man, what do I do? Whatever you can. Good luck.
You son of a bitch. You're not getting away from me.
Oh, you can run!
After months of physiotherapy, the verdict is in. Doctor says my leg will never recover. I'll need a brace for life. Eventually a wheelchair. Those bastards crippled me. They wanted to scare me away. Make me a fleet of Bermuda and start over. What could be so fucking precious? So secret and dangerous. They would cripple a man because he glanced at it. They haven't scared me.
Hello? You're gonna have to get somebody out here quickly, alright?
You got it. Let's force them out. Damn it! My car crapped out. You got it. I'll cut him off. Gonna try and ram him. He can't be far. Fine. Damn, where'd he go? Got other fish to fry. Can't waste any more time here. Don't fuck with me, Aiden. Wasn't I clear?
You stay away from Jackson.
Yeah, about that. One of my employees got a little overzealous. Your nephew is not on my radar. But you go off the rails again.
Put my sister on the phone.
Listen to you. You think you have any control here? You get to talk to Nikki once you have something useful to give me. Follow that IP address and then we'll talk. Right now, you're just wasting my time.
Come on.